Number three, the tenant quality can be challenging. Now, there are a lot of people looking for investment properties, looking for rental properties to move into, and not all are great tenants for you. There comes with huge risk if you find the wrong tenant that damage your property maliciously, causing issues with the neighbors, and perhaps do something even worse, or not being able to pay rent and utilities on time. That could be a financial disaster and creating a lot of mental pressure for the property owners. Now, by hiring a property manager, a lot of that risk is not eliminated, but to a large extent will be reduced and mitigated. And will give you the right advice by buying the right insurance in place, as well as taking proactive action when there seems to be potential issues with the tenant. Number four, lack of long-term maintenance plan for the property. Ultimately, when you own a property, eventually you will sell. So when you are renting out the property for years and years, what you don't want is when it's time to sell, you end up spending a lot of money to bring the property to the state where you can sell the property. Unfortunately, when the situation with money is tight, a lot of owners, when they're managing the property themselves, are not taking care of even the most basic maintenance issues, which will in turn, over time, create long-term, even more serious damage to the property. And it's far more expensive to fix after years of delay and neglect. So again, saving money in the short term in these situations often create long-term damage and costing a lot more money than it needed to. So here are the 4 reasons why you shouldn't be managing your property and you should hire a professional property manager.